How to use AutoClicker on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use AutoClicker on Android. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first steps first, you will need to download an AutoClicker from your Google Play Store. So open up your Google Play Store and simply search for AutoClicker. After you search for AutoClicker, there will be a lot of different options. You can check it through from the reviews that they get. So let's just use this one. And after you do that, tap on install. Now it can take some time depending on internet speed to install the app. So wait for it. And after it downloads, you can tap on the open button. After you open it up, you will need to give it necessary permissions. So tap on OK. Tap on AutoClicker from here. Tap on Use AutoClicker. Then tap on Allow. Then after you do that, head back to the app. Now, all you have to do is enable your AutoClicker. You can tap on the settings option right here in the single target mode and choose how much you want the AutoClicker to do. So 300 milliseconds, you can choose the interval time between each click, and you can choose how much amount of time you want it to run for. So also you can check the number of cycles and everything. After you're done with the settings, you can then head back, then tap on Enable. After you tap on Enable, you need to place it wherever you want. That is, if you want to place it somewhere around here. So let's say I'll just place it here so it does not affect anything. Then tap on the play button that should appear on the left hand side. Tap on it and the AutoClicker should start working. And you can press on that button again to stop it. And that's how you use AutoClicker on your Android device. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video, and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye-bye.